Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode on Xiaomi Note 13. Firstly, go into the settings, now scroll to the very bottom and go into additional settings, one-handed mode, enable it, and now to enable the one-handed mode you just have to swipe right on the on this navigation center, and obviously you can use your phone now with only one hand because it is smaller, and if you would like to go back you can either swipe up, so just like this, or just tap on the area at the top. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.